AMG GTR. Anthony is gonna take me for a ride in this car. This lovely police officer is deciding to follow us. If this starts, oh my goodness, we just hit a home run.
All right, will the Bentley start?
What's up, JR Garage? Welcome back to the channel. First and foremost, we want to say thank you to everyone who has shown so much support and love on our new channel, JR Aviation. Already like 3,000 subscribers within like 12 hours have subscribed to the channel, so that is amazing. Thank you guys so much. If you haven't already subscribed, be sure to hit the link down below. First link in the description, all about aviation, planes, all that good stuff. You guys will love it, and that'll enter you into the giveaway, which we are giving away grand prize. We are flying out you and a +1, loved one, friend, whatever. We are flying you out to us, and we are all together going on a private jet. Yes, a private jet, you heard that correctly. And then we're also giving away GoPro, iPad, JR Garage merch, posters, all that fun stuff. And all you gotta do is subscribe to the channel, you can't beat that. But anyway, we got another Project Bentley video coming at you. It's gonna be a good one because we are gonna see for the first time, will this car start? As you guys know, we bought it, paid a bargain of a price. Check out last video if you haven't seen it already. But we're gonna try to install these new batteries and we're gonna see if it starts up, get power to the car for the first time. More on that in just a second. Christian's almost done taking out that battery, but here to help us is our good friend, Anthony. Anthony, what did you bring? This isn't the C63.
No, and then I did not trade in my C63. This is a good friend of mine who has an AMG GTR.
AMG GTR. Okay, quick walk around. So later, Anthony is gonna take me for a ride in this car, which will be just insane. I cannot wait for that. Quick walk around. Holy moly. So this is the top of the line Mercedes, basically. Like this is
AMG you can get.
It's perfect. It's beautiful. And this paint you were talking about, this is a factory paint, this kind of matte stealth look. So, what's the official name?
Designo Selenite Gray Magno.
Carbon roof. Yeah,
carbon roof comes standard.
Oh my goodness.
Carbon fiber wing is an option. There's carbon fiber fenders.
577 horsepower out of a 4-liter twin turbo V8.
That's correct.
So that makes a ton of power. And then the rear end with these exhaust. I didn't know there's actually 3 kind of exhaust outlets. So yeah. 2 in the diffuser and then the main one here.
And then one goes between the diffusers. This one is actually where the muffler goes, and then if you push the exhaust button, the butterfly valves open, and it actually goes to the side over here, which is basically a straight pipe.
Oh, okay, that's sweet. We'll be testing all of that in just a moment on this video, but let's go get back to Christian all right, Christian, do you think you have the last battery almost out?
Literally, just as he said that, I finally got this rear tie, this battery tie down out. It is the stupidest place. They put the battery tie down deep in this little corner back here. You probably can't even see it, when they could have put it right on this side with a bunch of space.
Oh boy, making it difficult. The first one came out pretty easy. Oh, and by the way, guys, this is the original factory battery from 2005. I'm not sure if you can see the 05, but that's a 13-year-old battery. No wonder this car is having some electronic issues. Maybe it's to do with these crappy old batteries that are in here. But anyway, the big one is coming out. Oop, look at that, sliding out.
These are not crappy batteries. These things are huge suckers, man, and probably expensive.
Okay, they think they jimmied it out. Oh, there it is. Well, that was a pain.
Stupid difficult.
Wow, okay, that's heavy. That is a massive battery. This is like a normal size car battery, and then you have this, which is like 2 batteries in one. So a lot of power to run this big car and all the electronic systems and stuff. But anyway, got the batteries, we got the new ones on order. We gotta go swap these out as a core, and then we can put the new ones in and get power to the car for the first time. All right, Christian, old batteries in the S6. Let's go pick up the new batteries. It is time to drive the AMG GTR. Let's go. Alright guys, this is my first time in any GT, GTS, GTR for that matter. Oh shoot. The yellow seatbelts, that's so cool. Here we go.
And then like Mr. AMG himself, Mr. Roken, exhaust on always.
Ooh, that'll come in handy.
4-wheel steering.
Oh really?
Yeah. So.
We have the AMG expert here. Like, he knows everything about these cars. I will learn so much on this short little drive.
Yeah, so for regular GTs and GTSs, you know, they have a pretty wide turning radius, but for the GTC and the GTRs, they have four-wheel steering. So at low speeds, the rear wheels turn the opposite way.
Yeah.
So it's a shorter turning radius, and then at high speeds, they turn the same.
Kind of like the Skyline.
Exactly.
Same principles, just 25 years later. Holy cow.
So it's a dual clutch transmission. Transmission sits in the back, and then there's a carbon fiber torque tube that runs through the middle of the car. It is a 7-speed.
Oh, I mean, yours are pretty loud on your C63, but these are.
Yeah, these are because you're right next to the opening of the exhaust. So
Sure it is, right back there.
yeah.
Oh wow. You just said there's a 9-stage traction control button.
Correct. So when you turn off traction control, you can choose how much you want of the system to intervene. It's designed to especially race on the track, and you can keep decreasing the amount of traction.
So it's just like how crazy you want to go.
Exactly.
Oh, that's so cool. Oh my gosh. That is so fast. It's like a rocket. It's so refined too. Oh. So I was just telling Anthony how like this is, in my opinion, like the best time to be alive for like AMG.
Oh yeah, so you know, this is the highest, biggest, baddest AMG can go. By the way, there's a CLA 45 over there. But AMG has a whole bunch of stuff coming out. They actually have a roadster version of the GTR coming. They have a 4-door GT, which is going to compete with the Panamera, which my friend who owns this car also has that on order. From me.
That car looks sick, by the way. Picture up here. Like, comment, what do you guys think about, what's your favorite AMG? Drop it in the comment section down below. I'm sure we'll be getting a lot of GTRs, but there's so many good options.
So right now, it'll just be a GT63, which will be a V8, 630 horsepower. But a couple years down the road, there's going to be an 850 horsepower 4-door GT.
Oh my gosh.
So it's going to have a combination between the V8 and the electric motors.
You heard it here first. Anthony, good old, our AMG source for info. But that's sweet. Is this car electronically limited top speed?
198, correct.
That's fast. But then again, 2006, a 5,000-pound Bentley was doing 195.
Yeah.
Come on, like, come on.
So,
but this thing isn't all about top speed. It's every other aspect of it.
This is mostly for handling.
Yeah.
This will handle.
What tires come on here?
Standard or Pilot Sport Cup 2 tires.
Cup 2s. That's when you know Cup 2s. Holy
yeah,
cow.
and they're really sticky.
All right, we're gonna set up for a quick flyby. In the meantime, let me hear a couple revs, Anthony. Oh yeah. All right guys, here comes the little flyby. That's insane. That's crazy.
Never gets old.
All right, did my GoPro make it? That's the question. Yes, it made it. Hooray. All right, I'll take you. Back in we go. So we have some company. This lovely police officer is deciding to follow us, just waiting for us to do something, but not today. We see you now, cop. All right, that was awesome, Anthony. Thank you so much for that opportunity and that ride. That was amazing. Be sure to give Anthony a follow for all the Mercedes content, see his C63, all that good stuff, more of this car, and yeah, that was awesome. All right, now let's get installing those new batteries. Here we go. All right, new battery, big one, new battery, small one. Big's going in first, and should slide right in. Here we go.
Lock it under there.
And she's in. All right, we're connecting the new battery for the first time. It's gonna be the first time the car has power. She's on. Oh, stuff's making noise. Wait, what's going on? Why are the cooling fans running? I'm sure the car's not too hot.
All right, guys, got in the batteries. One weird thing is that the cooling fans came on immediately. Obviously, the car has not been running, so that's interesting, but we're gonna hop in there and
first startup. Guys, we have not
attempted turnover of the engine, which might not happen.
If this starts, oh my goodness, we just hit a home run. If it doesn't, that's more so expected. Let's be realistic, but we may get lucky. Oh boy. Let's see if it makes the classic VW chime. All right. Oh, it's chiming. There's no way. Oh, nothing. No.
No! No! No!
Try and oh, wait, more lights are coming on now. Okay, we have things lighting up. It's close. Okay, all right. That was totally the starter going, which we weren't sure if it would. Okay, let's think this through.
But the engine start button work? Is there an engine start button?
Yeah.
Do that for the fan shut off.
Weird. Okay, so that means the starter works. All right, guys, so we tried to give it a few starts. At least it does crank over, which is like huge news. The Bentley dealership that was working on it last, I talked with them and like, yeah, we couldn't get to crank. It may need a new starter. And a new starter, if you guys don't know, you have to remove the engine and trans. It's like $4,000, $5,000, $6,000, something outrageous. But the fact that it cranks, we obviously don't need a starter, which means it could be a dumb, simple little thing.
Yeah, and we think that dumb, simple little thing could be the relay for the power supply relay for the engine control module, ECM. And we looked at some of the symptoms and stuff. The cooling fans running all the time is really weird, but it seems like it could be some sort of safety default for the engine with this power control relay being potentially messed up. And we think it's tucked all the way up under there, practically like under the windshield.
So the symptoms are matching, which could be a really good sign. So we're kind of leaving, see this box in here? That's where it belongs. We're gonna play with that a little more. I'm gonna talk to the dealership that had it last again and just ask them if I can get some more information on what they did. That's probably where our problem lays. All right, guys, so I just realized I didn't film an outro for today's video, so I'm gonna go ahead and film it now. If you guys are wondering where I'm at, I'm actually in Paradise Valley, Arizona. We just finished up at Car Week yesterday. We flew here. Wait for that vlog. It's coming out in like 2 days. It is going to be absolutely epic. Monterey Car Week was insane. I went with my boy Casey Adams as well as Kieran, of course, but Kieran's inside on a phone call. We want to let you in on a little something exciting. So you guys are probably wondering like, whoa, what's this house? Like, what's this massive garage? Like, what's the deal? So those of you who stayed to the end here, this is like your first glimpse at the new house. So tell them a little bit about this house and like this event that we have going on October 6th and 7th. You guys have a rare opportunity to come to the house, meet us, and meet the Build Your Empire team. So tell them a little bit about that.
Yeah, absolutely. So number one, by the way, Car Week was insane. The boy JR Garage took me. I'm not big in the car scene, so going there really opened my mind. But like he just said, we're in Paradise Valley right now. We're at the Build Your Empire house, and we have some very cool stuff going on here. And really, the biggest thing about this house, which you guys will learn more information about if you come to this event, is it's about showcasing world-class entrepreneurs. And like he just said, we have this amazing grand opening event for the brand Build Your Empire, October 6th and 7th. And we have 23 world-class entrepreneurs lined up talking about real estate, talking about cars, talking about making money online, stock trading, cryptocurrency, whatever it is, you name it, whatever niche you may be in or these speakers may be in. We have experts that have really built their empire talking about success, entrepreneurship, how they built and scaled and sold their companies and much more, and it's gonna be insane.
Boom, all happening October 6th and 7th. If you guys wanna grab tickets, they'll be linked down below. We actually just raised the price like 2 and 3 days ago because we're actually almost sold out, so we just raised the prices. But if you want the original discounted prices, you can use promo code JRGarage. We'll set that up right now, and it'll give you the original prices, which are a steal for what they are, and hanging out with 23 world-class speakers, like he said. But anyway, so this is the new place. More on this. I know this is kind of like eye-opening for a lot of you guys. Like, what the heck? New house, JR Garage? Like, this is new JR Garage HQ come like 2 months once we ship everything out to Arizona, like we've been hinting at. But I'll fill you guys in more on this. I just wanted to finish the video and you guys are wondering what this house is. So that's what it is. Entrepreneurship is going to be going down here. So I'll keep it short for now. But anyway, as for the Bentley, as you guys saw in this video, like we almost got it running. We think we know what the problem is. Those parts are on order, but we left in Monterey before we got the new parts in. So we'll be installing those new parts and trying to give it a real first start, and hopefully it'll start, and hopefully we'll hit a huge home run with this car. So subscribe if you're not already. Like the video if you enjoyed. Drop a comment down below, and we will see you guys from Monterey in a couple days, and in Paradise Valley October 6th and 7th. Let's go.